Yeah, Zaza in the flesh, the only one. Let me get it to him, like I do. What up, Casey? Your daddy love you. It's like that. Hey yo, hey yo. Better late than never, but never sorry though. Levitate through the hate and the impossible. Better than all combined with this all around. Bet it all, you feeling different. The feeling hits me like the wind when it's in the 60s. I'm chilly, really. My daddy named me, my mama raised me. This life it made me master surveyor, purveyor, ayer. Just a rarity, a gesture, clarity. See me as I am through the everything. No mask, I'm faceless. I can't take this fake shit. I rap, cause I rap. Never mind the fact that I should shake shit. That fame shit, some lame shit. Niggas hate on the net and you can't say shit. The public's fickle, watching them place, saying how they would've done it different. But when that money enter, these niggas crumble quickly. Ain't no hustle in them, he just lost the image. I always wonder why drug dealers buy nice cars. Having nothing has that effect, clouding your judgment. Keep that in your mind, we gon' flash back to that.
Yeah, it was great seeing you, son. You too.
Lou.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's all right to be angry. Hey, why should I be mad? Ain't like I'm still 5 years old, you know? Ain't like I'm gonna be sitting up every night asking my mom, when's daddy coming home, you know? How come you don't want me, man?
Yeah. Caught a theme I wanna run throughout a larger narrative. I feel like popping some shit. Peep the setup, y'all ain't having this. I can never say something cause it rhyme or cause it sound good. I'm only better cause I never said it. Translation to the never said it. It was there already. Let that settle while I catch another. Scramble eggs when I rap these puzzles. Young Roy Shack, corpse trap. Where your boys at? You boys whack, you boys whack. I ignore that. Or I advise that if your head on swole, I'm ice pack. Calm down, son. You ain't like that. God made man, you ain't right that. You rap about a life that brings death. Where your mind at? Young niggas smarter than dumb. Won't get that time back. I'm laughing at that smarter than dumb. Bet they won't like that. Nigga, write a rap if you want. You'll be a blank check. I let you decide what it mean. It's just a brain check. You ain't creative as you think or as you seen with the checkers. I play chess. Watch me turn a pawn to a queen. As I space the board, we can go body for body till you can't trade no more. Mortal man godly inside this hobby. This game of more. Jaded by absence of habit. You need them to know that you got it. So how you go about it? Obvious is the answer. The ambiance of glamour, it has you. The thought of everything you can't lose, it traps you. They attracted to the habit. They'll subtract you if you adding. Ain't no glamour in the tragic. Was it worth your life when you landed in that casket? It get hard to think in the moment when you wasn't trained for the moments. As a father, I prepare you. As a father, I'm prepared to lay my life down just to spare you. But I'd rather live and share you, a rare view created to reach the real you. I pray you never need it, but if you ever need it, I suggest that you take these pieces and shape them as you see it. I'm just a frame of reference, source from the days I step in, traveling backwards through the present just to gain perspective. I'm out. Peace.
Hey, niggas get shot every day, B. You be alright, nigga. You tough, right? Motherfuckers warn he's not coming back, B. I laid the murder game down, let niggas know we not fucking around, man. It's just cool, yo.
What the fuck are you doing, man? You even know what you're doing, man? Don't have the fucking cops coming up in here looking for me, man, on account of shit you did. Understand? Shit's high.
Well, then you need to give up the connect and let us handle shit, B.
I'm out, Rico. You understand what I'm saying? Look at me. I've been shot in the head, baby. My body different. I'm breathing different. You understand what I'm saying? The doctor said I wasn't gonna walk the same. You understand what I'm saying?
see you, yo. Come on, man. What you wanna give all this shit up?
Hey, man, it's like this, man. We down
Huh?
to the last bricks, man. Shit's drying up out there. You hear me? Niggas ain't eating on the streets, man. Everybody getting antsy out there, baby.